वास्को रेल्वे स्थानकार तपासणी करून रेल्वे पुलिशेन ट्रेन नंबर 18048 ट्रेनीत प्लॅटफॉर्म नंबर 1 सोऱ्याच्यो 38 बाटल्यो जप्त केल्यो. 5695 रुपयांचो पुलिशेन सोरो जप्त केला म्हण माहिती मुकुंद गावस हांणी दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Inspection conducted at Vasco railway station today at 6 o'clock in train number 18048 Amravati Express, platform number 1 from Vasco to Howrah, headed by myself along with Vasco PSI Sri Yashwant Raikar, Police Constable Shiva Chalwadi, RPF ASI Sri Jagdish Shetye, PC Mukesh Kumar and PC Kailash Ram. With respect to the upcoming election in Karnataka, we managed to seize some Indian-made foreign liquors, about 38 bottles of 750 ml each, worth in rupees approximately 5,695. Upon inquiry, no one approached us to claim the bags, the seized goods, and we are taken in our custody, and further investigation is processed now.